I will raise them one by one and then we take questions. बीजेपी का नाम अब बदलकर भारतीय जेब काटो पार्टी रख देना चाहिए. The manner and fashion in which Modi government and the BJP are attacking the pockets of the common person is unprecedented, cruel, unheard of and unacceptable. From toll roads to rails, from gas cylinder to everyday use items like vegetables and pulses, BJP is road rolling India's common people. Today is 1st of July, and on the 1st of July, including on the people of Karnataka, BJP has imposed an extremely heavy burden by increasing rail fares by 700 crores annually. And it's a double whammy for Karnataka. For in addition to the 1st April toll hike, BJP has today given a second gift of Mehengai to people of Karnataka by raising toll rates of the Bangalore Elevated Tollway Limited, effective 1st July 2025. I will like to place these facts before the people through you. The BJP government in India promised bullet trains, but gave us derailment, burning coaches, broken hopes and unprecedented inflation. While the rail tracks lie in despair and passengers hang on to life and die in Thane, Maharashtra, as we saw recently in BJP ruled Maharashtra, they are silently, surreptitiously, secretly and gradually hiking tolls and rail fares and squeezing every paisa from commuters of road and rail, the two means of transport for ordinary people in India. And as if toll charges and rail hike was not enough, they are increasing the prices of LPG gas cylinder, vegetable and pulses to a level where it is difficult for ordinary common people, salaried class, middle class, poor people, members of the SC, ST, OBC, minority and general category poor to make both ends meet. I think there will be a time when we will have to provide Z plus security for gas cylinder, for pulses and for other essential commodities. It's not very far. This is not governance, Prime Minister Modi. This is highway robbery. Robbery on rail tracks and robbery on roads. Openly from pockets of people. And on top of it, rail accidents, despair and no repair of rail tracks have made it a jumla of Mehengai, but a reality for common man. So the only thing BJP and Modi government has given us, and Karnataka BJP will of course remain to choose mum, is price hikes. So these three facets I want to place before you today, one by one, very briefly. अच्छे दिन derail हो गए. the journey from Vikas to Vinash continues, and the nightmare for middle class and poor and salaried class, it continues unabatedly. If you look at the passenger numbers, you will find it shocking. Then you will realize what is the impact. I took out the data from 1st April 2024 to 31st March 2025 of the number of passengers who travelled by rail, by trains, by railway. The number is 715 crores. 715 crore journeys were made through railways from 1st April 2024 to 31st March 2025. In the year 2023-24, I tried to take out some data for South Western Railway, where Karnataka comes. A total of 2.48 crore passengers, or 248 lakh passengers travelled, out of which 109 crore were reserved and 109 lakh were reserved and 138 lakh travelled otherwise. So starting today, BJP has hit passengers with a nationwide fare hike for middle level and long distance travel. And this is not an ordinary hike as BJP will make you believe. And I want to place some facts relating thereto. In 2023-24, for which data is now available, Indian Railways made a revenue of 2,56,000 crores and made a profit of 3,260 crore. I'm going to send you by way of pointers all these data. At the same time, 2,60,000 people died in rail accidents. This is official data. 2.6 lakh people died in various rail accidents. This is unprecedented high costs and high mortality. Now, from second class to sleeper to AC, something that you and me and ordinary people, including your viewers and readers, they use every day, everybody will be burdened. And what is the impact? The impact is this: it's 700 crore annually. People of India, people of Karnataka, our brothers and sisters of Karnataka will have to pay annually 700 crores. The railway expects this figure. I'm giving you the lowest figure. The railway expects this figure to be close to 1,500 crores. People of India will now have to pay this money.